The 5-Day Challenge Success Formula, a book by Arrow Marketing Lab. If you're on Kindle Unlimited, you'll get this for free at any time, or you might be lucky enough to get this on one of our promotional days. Alternatively, all of our books are under a £5 and can be found on Amazon. So the 5-Day Challenge Success Formula, what's it all about? So why 5-day challenges work, even if you're not in the marketing world, but you need to have something out there generating you leads and interest in your business. So most small business owners don't really get excited by the idea of marketing. It usually brings to mind confusing industry terms and jargon, exhausting social media schedules, or a feeling that you're just shouting into a void and it's not really doing that much for you. But what if I told you there's a simple way to grow your audience, showcase what you do best, and sell your services without feeling like you've just enrolled in a full-time marketing degree? So this is the power of a 5-day challenge. A 5-day challenge is a brilliant, low risk and actually quite a fun way to build your list, warm up your audience and invite new customers into your world. Even if you're starting with a really tiny audience or none at all, it's short enough to stay manageable, but long enough to deliver real results and build trust. And best of all, it's completely tailored to you and your business. So this book will walk you through everything you need to plan, promote and deliver a 5-day challenge that leads naturally to your paid offer, whether that's a service, a product or a program. So why you'll love this book? What's it going to do for you? First things first, you don't need a massive audience to make this work for you. You don't need to go live every day unless you particularly want to. And you definitely don't need to do everything perfectly. You just need to follow a really clear framework that works with a bit of creativity, a lot of heart and a smart strategy behind what you're doing. So in this book, we'll walk you through step by step the challenge building success formula, defining your goal and offer, choosing the right challenge topic, creating your 5-day content flow, promoting your challenge effectively and converting participants into hopefully happy clients. So if that's something that you want to do, you want to build this into your arsenal of marketing to build more leads, get more clients, download this book right now.